Hi everybody, so this is the video PowerPoint help sheet for your distinction for Law Level 3 Unit 1. So this is Task 3. So by now you should have all passed the past work and the merit work, so we should really understand now about the different types of people, legal personnel that we use within the court system, within the UK legal system. So Task 3 then is distinction level. So what we have to do is produce a report discussing the advantages and disadvantages of having juries and magistrates working within the English legal system. Discuss the effectiveness of incorporating lay people into the legal system. So I've put in here then what we mean by lay people. So that is ordinary, that I have quite clearly spelt wrong, non-specialist people who are not qualified, i.e. magistrates and juries. So how to structure your answer then. So I want you to write your report on a Word document. Then write an introductory paragraph explaining what you will be discussing. Discuss juries first and then afterwards discuss lay magistrates. Ensure that you've got your name and T number as a header and page numbers as a footer. You must include a bibliography for this piece of work. I'll give you a link to help you with this, but ensure that you keep a note of all of the books and websites that you've used so that you can put these into your bibliography correctly. You need to try and use at least 5 different sources for a distinction to show that you've really done your research and put effort into the piece of work. So I'd recommend reading the chapters in the books as those suggest advantages and disadvantages for you to discuss. So lay people are used in the UK legal system. These are unqualified people who may decide if a person is guilty or not guilty, or may decide on sentencing. So using lay people provides a range of advantages and disadvantages to the UK legal system. This is what you will be researching and discussing in this piece of distinction work. Remember, you should be aiming to pass this first time. So proofread your work, check for capital letters and spelling, that I clearly have not done in this PowerPoint. Write in paragraphs with sentences and ensure all sections are answered and hand it in the correct format, and this needs to be on time. So you've got a section on your help sheet then that will obviously help you in order to meet the distinction piece of work. So your guidance then is that you may discuss advantages and disadvantages which apply generally to both magistrates and juries. However, specific advantages and disadvantages of magistrates and juries should also be discussed. You may wish to research the following points, but this is not an exhaustive list. So the qualification and selection of magistrates and juries, the competency to fulfil the roles, whether or not they are truly representative of society. So you can use statistics to support any argument for this point, and any practical issues with using lay people, so remember unqualified people, within the English legal system. So there's many relevant articles in the Philip Allen A-Level Law Review which can be found using online resources. So we will go over this in class, but again it will be the same PowerPoint. So I just want you to make a report. If you read the chapters of the books, these will really help you discuss the advantages and disadvantages so that you can evaluate both juries and magistrates effectively. Bye.